In this video, I will show you how to add presenter notes in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Now, look at the upper right portion of your screen. You will find the presenter button. Click on that to enter presenter mode. Once you're in presenter mode, a new menu list will appear on the left side of your screen. This menu includes different tools you can use to help during your presentation. For example, if you want to add presenter notes, click on the sticky notes option. A variety of sticky note styles and colors will appear for you to choose from. Select one and click anywhere on your board to place it. You can now type in your notes, reminders, or key talking points that you want to mention during your presentation. And when you're finished, these notes will remain on your board so you can easily refer to them while presenting to your audience. And that's how to add presenter notes in Miro.